What's good, y'all? So I want to give you a quick little update or a quick explanation on how do we get rid of liens off of our title.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Right? In New York State. So I'm gonna give you a quick description on how you get rid of a lien. A lien, if you don't know what a lien is basically a stamp that they put on your title that says that you're not the owner of the vehicle until you pay off the debt that you owe on the vehicle. So every time you get a car from a dealership, it most likely has a lien on it, and you have to satisfy that lien, which is pay the balance off, and then you will be able to remove the lien off your title, right? And then actually sell the car. You cannot sell a car with a lien on it unless the owner is or the new owner knows about it and is willing to pay off that old lien on that vehicle. You will have to call the bank, and they will be able to give you an amount that's owed on that lien, and then you would just pay it. All right, so New York State license, right? This is what a lien looks like. All right, now this is a Nissan Rogue right here, right? Original owner, right? It has a lien. From Nissan Motors, right, in Sacramento, California. And the way you get rid of this lien is DMV NY.gov, and what you do is you have to send a paper, right, the satisfied paper from the lien holder, which would be these guys right here, right, which is basically a white piece of paper, and then you would have to submit one of these guys, right. This is a form MV 902, and it's an application for a duplicate title, right, or replacement title. And it's pretty simple, right? If you do this whole process without checking this box right here, which it says included with this application is original lien release that is signed and includes a date. Photocopy is not accepted, so you have to send the original one. So what I recommend is you copy your lien paperwork for your own records, and you have to submit a $20 fee separate from the application fee. So it's 20 and 20. Fill out the form, sign it, and then you have to mail this, guys. You have to mail this, right, with a copy. See, mail copies of your proofs. Originals will not be returned, right? And you have to mail your license, a copy of your license, this form, this title right here, right, and the lien release form, which comes from the bank, right, and bring the application original, application photocopies, all right. So simply, that's what you do, and then what happens is that you send this out, this original one, which is crazy because once you don't have this paper no more, you technically do not have rights to the vehicle, right? But well, until you get it back, right? When you get it back, though, you're going to get the same exact form with, it's going to say no liens recorded. No liens. On all four of these paper spots, it's going to say no liens. And right here is going to have a no lien right there. And then it's going to give you, obviously, the new date. And then what you would do is you would then give this paper, the new paper that you get, to the person that's buying it. You will write how much mileage is on the car. This vehicle has not been wrecked, right? I don't think you have to even check that. You sign, you print, you get your address and everything, date of statement. This is a bill of sale. And then you have the buyer, whoever you're selling it to, sign this piece right here. And that's it. You successfully sold the vehicle and you successfully got a lien off of your title. All right, so I'm actually on my way to the owner of that vehicle because he gave me the title to sell his vehicle, but he gave it to me with a lien. He didn't know that, the lien was on the title. He did pay for it already. So I'm just gonna give him a little bit of education, tell him to submit it to New York, and we're gonna wait for the new title in the mail. Could be him right here. No, that's not him, but the crazy thing about selling a vehicle, and honestly, I feel that they don't want you to sell your vehicle. You know, they make it so complicated. You know, it should have been something simple. Why wouldn't when you satisfy your lien, wouldn't the lien people, right, the people that work so hard to put this lien on your paperwork, submit something to the DMV saying that, hey, the lien was satisfied. Send this gentleman or this family or this owner their new title. You know, and that's it. If anything, send me a letter saying, hey, you know, you owe $20 for the new title. But again, that's what it is. It's price gouging. They want you to apply for the title like we did, and then you know, it comes out that you didn't check that one little box, right, that says include the lien satisfying paperwork, and then they make you pay for that again, and then what happens? You have to do it again. This is what we're doing right now. So I can show you a different title. There's another title that I have, and this is how it should look. No liens recorded. This is what you want. This is what you're looking for. This is the only way you can actually sell a vehicle is if you have no liens on this paperwork, right? And you know, that's something that at least you see the before and after of it.